This may be controversial, but in a galaxy far, far away, twin brothers from another dimension shaped destinies. In the grand cosmic empire, ruled by the architect, two beings were born with extraordinary powers, Jacom and Esau. Born from the same cosmic womb, their rivalry was as vast as the universe itself. Here's how it unfolded. In the city of Canaan IV, a place of technological wonders and spiritual dilemmas, Jacom, the younger brother, was known for his cunning mind. Esau, with his brute strength and passion for adventure, was a warrior of the stars, exploring the uncharted territories of space. Their father, Isaac, a wise and aged commander, had a blessing to bestow, one that would grant immense power and leadership over the galaxy. Jacom, with his intellect, devised a plan to trick Esau out of his birthright. One day, while Esau was on a mission in the far reaches of space, Jacom used his tech skills to disguise himself, gaining Isaac's blessing meant for Esau. The betrayal sowed seeds of discord, leading to years of cosmic tension. But, as the architect had planned, the path to redemption was laid out. Jacom's journey took him through trials of faith, where he faced his own fears and the consequences of his actions. In a pivotal moment, the architect intervened, allowing Jacom to confront Esau. They met on a neutral planet, where Esau, with his heart of forgiveness, embraced his brother, signifying not just reconciliation, but the potential for unity in the cosmos. The takeaway? Even in the vastness of space, the lessons of forgiveness, redemption, and the power of family hold true. Jacom and Esau's story teaches us that rivalry can turn into reconciliation, shaping not just individual destinies, but the fate of entire galaxies.